So today is our first class, just introduction. Today we'll discuss about the introduction. So as basis, right? We are going to discuss about the SAP basis and HANA administration part. So as part of this SAP basis and HANA administration part, so we are going to discuss about the first entire basis administration and followed by HANA DB administration part we are going to discuss. Means SAP and database, both we are discussing here, right? So basis administration. So first of all, SAP basis. What is mean by SAP basis administration here? So basis administration is the management of an SAP environment. SAP environment, management of SAP environment on the daily basis, on the weekly basis, or monthly basis, or yearly basis. It's a management of SAP environment. Management of managing the SAP systems, managing the SAP systems on the daily basis here. So what is mean by SAP here? SAP stands for systems, applications, system applications, and products in business data processing, in the business data processing, which means, so yes, systems, A for applications, B products in business data processing. In your business, if we want to process your data, we need the SAP application we required. Why? Because it has the product application in business. Every business application, every business, so application is required. Either we have the, so Oracle, many applications are in the market, we have the many applications. And that SAP is the one of the application software. We have the Oracle apps, Sibel CRM. So we have the mainframes. So many applications are there in SAP in the market industry, in the IT market, many applications. In that SAP is the one of the thing. It's a one of the very, it will play the, for every business, it will play the very critical role. It will play the very critical role for their business critical activities and everything here, right? So, and also here we are going to discuss about the basis administration. Basis. So what is basis? Also there is a abbreviation. Basis stands for, so business application software integrated solutions. Integrated solution here. So basis, business application software integrated solution here. So which means, so for every business application, one software is required to manage that software. Managing means like system administration systems, static, the configurations, load balancing, performance management, so application management, problem management, capacity planning, technical infrastructures, right? Maintenance, jobs, monitoring, other administration level activities, all those things, it's part of the SAP basis consultant daily routine activities. Daily routine activities here. Daily routine activities, we have to do that one. So when SAP HANA introduced as a basis consultant, we need to take over the HANA administration, which means the DB related so activities also we have to take care. So the role of the basis administrator has changed. Not only SAP basis related activities, he has to do the HANA administration activities he has to do. So as the aspects of the basis have become more complex, and administrator role has to play. In every IT industry, the administrator of the company has to play the more critical role for their business systems and everything here, right? So same way, we are the administrators for, so for every business, we are the administrator, every system, we are the administrator to managing the all the so SAP related activities and HANA related activities. So basis related activities, everything we have to take care of the all kind of work here, right? So the same time, so we have the number of activities. Our scope is very high compared to the other teams. So coming to the team structure with us, as I mentioned in the demo class, with us, our role is the basis consultant. Our role is the basis consultant. With us, we have the ABAP team. With that, we have the security. With that, we have the functional. And also with us, we have the users, SAP end users and everything. They will log in and they will do the business here in this systems here, right? So, but everybody is required the every organization they require the basis consultants are more required. Why? Because we are the administrator, so we need to support the systems by 24/7 support. We have to do it. So that's why our role is so very critical role here. Why? Because we are not sure when the system is will go down, when the performance issues will get. So here the basis administrator has to so fix that issues, and for the smooth business operations basis administrator has played a critical role here, right? So at the same time, as part of our day-to-day activities, so we have the so projects. We have the means we need to handle the support projects as well as the implementation projects. Support projects as well as the implementation project we need to handle it here. Support and so implement support projects and implementation. So our roles are categorized into the two types, means SAP implementation means implementation time we need to perform the implementation activities. Then support side we have to perform the support level activities, we need to perform it here. Support level activities we have to perform it here. So what are those implementation and support level activities here, right? So implementation and support level activities. Implementation means installations, basic configurations and installation. These all will comes under the implementation. Support means once the business go live, once the go live is happened. Suppose you are going to start the you are going to start the new business you are going to start. For your business you need SAP application is required for the critical business functionalities. Application is required, right? For the suppose like IRCTC business, there is IRCTC application is there. Same as like so food business, we have the Swiggy application is there, right? Same as like every business there is a application, right? Similar way we have the for every business one application is required, same as like we have the SAP also for business applications here to store the business data and everything here, right? Same as like implementation means installations, then after that administration level activity. Support level activities means day-to-day activities, monitoring, then support, fixing the issues. This and all comes under the support level activities. This will we have to perform after the go live. After the implementation is completed, then go live. Once the go live is completed, go live means business live activities. Then support level activities we have to perform it here, right? So for the SAP implementation, SAP recommended to follow the SAP recommended to follow the there is a one methodology, SAP methodology here, that is called the SAP methodology. We need to for the implementation for clear cut for strategy, planning, estimation the resources, how many teams we required. During the starting of the implementation time, we need to follow the SAP methodologies here. SAP methodology, we need to follow it here. SAP methodology. SAP methodology means it's a accelerated SAP. SAP means here not like that as soon as possible. It's a SAP methodology means it's a accelerated. So accelerated SAP here, accelerated SAP. So that is the SAP stands for accelerated SAP. So we need to follow the SAP methodologies. We need to follow it here. So why? Because The purpose of this methodology, why SAP introduced is a standard SAP related, the project preparation related activities, system implementation methods, developments, how many consultants are required. So for this SAP implement after the go live, all those things. So this methodology, by using this methodologies, the project managers, so respective teams will be involved. So they will hire their teams. All those things will be planned in the as part of the SAP methodology here. The main purpose of this SAP methodology to help to the project teams to designing designing the SAP implementation, and also timelines, people, quality, and other resources. So by using, we can, it with the SAP methodology will help us how many team members are required. So what are the timelines to we deliver the project? How many resources are required for each and every team? What are the team structure here? What is the quality of work we are providing here? What is the scope of work? All the resources, all the information we will come to know this SAP methodology here. Why? Because SAP methodology, SAP methodology consists of SAP methodology consists of so five phases here. Five the main phases here in the SAP methodology. So in the SAP methodology, five pages, the first phase is called the project preparation activities. Project preparation activities here. So then the next one is the business blueprint. Business blueprint here. Just a theoretical discussion. Why? Because so directly I can jump into the our activities. I can explain it. But before that, there is a process actually SAP side here, which means support projects and implementation. Whether types of projects are there in SAP. So here, as a basis consultant, we should know if you are going to the implementation project, here everybody will follow the five phases strategy here, right? Project preparation, business blueprint, then realization, realization. Then we have the final final preparation activities here. Final preparation activities here. Then fifth one, so go live and support activities here. Go live and support activities. Some cases, the support activities they will consider as a sixth phase. Then here we have the sixth phases here. Some people go live and support is the fifth phase here, right? So here we have the total five number of pages we have here in the so the accelerated SAP methodology. They have categorized into the five main phases here. So one is the project preparation. So in the project preparation activities, this phase mainly focus on the initial planning, the goals, so scope of implementation, establishing the teams. Here, the HR teams, they will start the hiring process, taking the resources, hiring, commitments, project, consulting. So the tie-up in the other companies here, the sequence of implementation activities, everything, they will start. Means all the preparation activities, they will start in the project preparation activities here. Hiring the teams, right? Hiring the scheme, scope of implementation, establishing the teams here. Then here, so here a sequence of activities here. So team structure, committee. So all those things they will choose it here in the project preparation activities here. Why? Because this is a project. Whenever the new project comes, normally every organization, the HR team, they will start discussing about the how many team members we required, right? What are the activities we are going to do? What type of support activities? So, what are the sequence of activities we need to perform? Who is the operating system team? Who is the Linux team, network team? All the things we will discuss, right? Which kind of establishing the teams and the structure, point of contacts, sequence of activities. All these things will comes under the project preparation activities. Means by following this the SAP methodology, we will go in one sequence manner. We will go the sequence manner. Then business blueprint. The next phase is the business blueprint. Here, the aim of this phase is understanding of the procedures, understanding of the procedure, like the preparation activities, just preparing the all those things here. The business blueprint is what are the procedures we need to support the project, detailed documentations. The mainly the blueprint is the detailed documentation of the each and every business procedures, right? So brainstorming sessions, KT sessions, internal meetings. So the project team scope of activities, the goals of the scheduled each and every task that will happen in the business blueprint here. Normally here, sometimes we may be involved in the business blueprint means here also we will not involve. In these two phases, we will not involve. Why? Because here high level activities here. Here it's a high level activities we will discuss here. High level activities. High level activities means high level activities means it kind of so project managers, client side managers, they will start discussing about the all the informations, calculations, all those things they will start in the last 5 pages. They will start it here. Last 5 pages, they will start all those things here, right? Then so here nothing here there is no hands-on experience here. Here we will not put any experience here, just preparations, documentation, and everything. So the real work starts from here, the realization phase. As a basis consultant, your real work starts from here. Your real work starts from here. Real work starts from here actually. So why? Because here actually we need to start here we need to start after the phase 2 completed, the phase number 3 is the realization. Here we need to focus on the implementations, installations, signing off, testing, initial configurations, right? Testing sign off from the stakeholders. So then baseline, final configurations. So uh, remaining scope of activities, who will do this kind of activities. This is a very long running phase. And here our actual very hands-on and basis work will start here, which means installations, initial configurations. So, right. And why? Because here in this phase, we will discuss what are the things we need to enable it, what are the things and everything. Then above team will write the coding, testing, right? Everything, functional team testing. So sign up from the stakeholders and so and baseline, final configurations, remaining scope of work, business process, all those things we will discuss in the realization phase. Realization phase here. Everything, all the work will complete in the realization phase itself here, right? So this is the main very crucial phase. Here we will have to start our very hands-on experience here. So here we need to put our hands to start the installations. Here we need to put our hands to start the installations here and configurations. Here we need to start it here, right? So this is the main phase here, realization phase here. So tomorrow, if someone asks you in which phase, so did you have you ever involved any implementation projects? That is a question you may get in the during the interview point of time or in the normal technical discussion, you may get this one. So in this case, we can say yes, not in the fully implementation. So maybe in that there is a one phase, realization phase there. So I have started working on the installations and basic configurations, all kind of stuff I have started like that. We can tell in the realization phase here, right? So that is the realization phase here. Then final preparation before the go live. Go live means the business live activities start. People start booking the orders, payments, IRCTs, everything they will start at go live activities. Before that, we need to make sure all the testing activities, screens, systems are working fine. So all the tabs, all the scenarios, all the configurations are enabled or not. Performance testing, UAT sign off, So user accept testing, sign up from the stakeholders. Everybody will do the work in the realization phase here. So the final preparation here is the testing, some kind of testing, cutover activities preparation, end user trainings, all other tasks required to go live before go live. So here they will start the final preparation activities here, which means some kind of like user testing here, system management testing here, cutover activities, right? End user training, end users are there for the training to the end users on the systems, right? So then uh, some system management related activities. If you miss any configuration activities here we need to perform the configuration activities. Then before going to live, for go live preparation, cutover sheet preparations, tasks, and so here we are successful completion of the final preparation. So we are good to organization is ready to begin the new system, means start the new business year. They will start allowing the users to book the orders, payments, everything in the during the go live time here. So final preparation and relation phase is the very crucial phases here. So this is the very important. This one, everything. So in the testing phase, something is happened. You need to upload the memory. You need to downsize it. Something you need to do it. So all the end users training activities, documentation preparation, landscape, everything, we will do it in the final preparation activities. Final preparation activities, we will do it here. So after the successful completion of the final preparation, we will ensure system is ready for go live, new business activities. So once the go live started, go live means once the go live started, here business is live. Your project activities are live. Suppose example, you are going to start a new new food business. Okay, new business you are going to start, same as like Swiggy food business. It's online orders, offline orders. It will accept delivery. So all those things here. In this case, this is your project. This is your business project. In this case, you need to prepare something, project preparation act. What is required here? What are the SAP softwares you required? How you want to go? What are the scope app activities? What are the bidding? Kind of bidding related activities, everything will plan in the preparation activities. Then once the bidding win, then preparations, then blueprint, diagrammatics and everything. Then here our work starts here, installations, our installations, right? So then, so installations and configurations. So all kind of stuff will start from the year. Then final preparations, go live. So when the system went for the go live, which means your project, your food business is live then. From that time onwards, so the people will start booking the orders in the go live onwards, booking the food business offline, online. This is the most critical element in this phase related to the production support and the support and activities, which means go live is done. Your implementation, nothing, you cannot do any other things here. Before the go live only, you need to do all activities here. Why? Because after the go live completed, the client team will hand over the activities to the support team. Or so whoever built the systems, the team only, they will do the support activities. So depends upon the our scope of activities and everything which we will discuss in the preparation activities, right? So support activity. Support means here this is a critical element. From here onwards, normally we will join the support directly whenever the company hires you. You will join in the support project. Sometimes you may join in the, if you are the luckiest person, you will join in the implementation project. So then otherwise you will join, you will go to the support project. From here onwards, we need to support to the business. This is the one of the critical elements in the phase which related to the production support, monitoring, transaction, optimizing the system. Why? Because so once the go live is done, users will log into your newly created SAP system, production system. They start booking the orders, payments, deliveries, and everything. Once the go live is done, your system, your business is down, means system is not supporting, system is down means you will lose the business impact, right? Why? Because so you will again business live, all the production orders, everything you will miss. So to avoid that business impact, final preparation itself, all the activities will be done. Then they will go for the go live activities. Then followed by the support activities. Support means support team, dedicated support team. Daily, they will monitor the your production systems, production SAP system. Then they will do the all kind of daily routine activities and everything. They will perform it here, right? So, so by following these 5 phases, so what is the advantage of following this methodology here? So proving that here we are providing the transparent timelines to the client, transparent delivery to the client here. Core values each and every phase we are completing, right? And also we have proven we have the transparent approach to the teams to the teams providing the each and everything here. And also risk we are reducing the risk also here. So everything there, the project timelines reducing here, commitments, so planning all the activities we are planning better way. As following these rules, we are following better way here. So that's why whenever the any implementation project, so these 5 or 6 phases will be 5 phases will be involved in the each and every implementation project here. Each and every implementation project, we will start our working activities on the 5 phases here. These are the SAP methodology. So people may ask you during the interview point of time, how many implementation phases we have? Where is our exact work starts here? So what exactly mean each and every phase? Maybe you can give us some detailed information about the each and every phase here, right? So normal support activities means daily activities here, right? So that is the one. So here, by doing all this one, we are going to build one new SAP system. We are going to build it here. SAP system means SAP is a three-tier architecture, right? So it's a presentation layer, SAP layer, and a DB layer here. It's a three-tier architecture here. So presentation layer. Then we have the application layer. Then we have the DB layer. We have the three-layer architecture here. So the first we will discussing about the SAP. Then next one is the DB here. Always DB, on top of the DB, we will install the SAP application here. So this is the one of the important critical application here, every business here. Suppose like how we will open the, suppose example, IRCTC, this is the application. This is running on the SAP. How we will opening and we are booking the tickets here. So it will going to the database level. Is this application we will open it here. We are here. Then by using this your browser or some tools, we will open the application here. In this application, we are booking the orders and everything, but it will communicate to the database to store the data and everything here. So the first we are discussing about the application. Then next one is the DB topics we are going to discuss here. Same as like we have the number of projects are there in India also here. Bhubaneswar Metro, Pune Metro, and IRCTC, and some other finance systems of the Indian government. So we are using the SAP applications we are using here. So finance systems. So it means very critical applications we are using here, right? So that's the reason. So the we have the very our importance is very high here. Why? Because without us, then who will manage the systems? Who will support it? Who will start the systems? Who will stop the systems? Who will manage the business? All kind of activities will be done by the basis team only here, right? Our activity starts from here onwards. So our first activity, which we are going to discuss about the installations here. So that is the first activity we are going to discuss about the SAP installations here. As part of the SAP installation, the first one we are going to discuss about the what are the preparation activities to do the installations. Then what are the softwares we required? How to perform the SAP installations? All that kind of work we are going to discuss in the as part of the installations. Once the installation is done, then SAP admin level activities will come into the picture here. Okay, admin level activities. This is the our approach we are going. So first, maybe I think I can start from tomorrow regarding the SAP installations here, then preparation activities here, then softwares. All will come slowly, one by one will come here. Okay. So this is our first class. Just a small introduction about our implementation and the phases here. Okay. I think yeah. Any questions? Anyone? Just